This is a quick video about rendering 3D primitives in Nuke with BlinkScript without using Scanline render. This is basically a SDF primitives renders. It means signed distance fields and ray matching to render basic shapes like spheres, boxes, torus, and cylinders. You can also move the camera virtually around anywhere and place them on a ground plane. It has a basic features like lighting, shadows, reflections, and it can even generate depth maps, normal maps, without using the scanner render. There are 4 primitives: sphere, box, torus, and cylinder. You can also change the primitive size the way you want and position the primitive. You can also control the ground plane, realistic shadows. The render includes a basic 3 settings for lighting: direct lighting, ambient lighting, specular highlights, and shadows. Ambient light has base fill to fill, soft shadows, and direction lighting is for intensity and color controls. The shadow is basically a hard ray trace shadows with pre-called hotness. You can also add apparent occlusion to add depth and realism. You can also change the light color, light direction, ambient light, and shading settings like roughness, peak gain, AO gain, and shadow hardness. You can also change the primitive size and increase or decrease the ground plane head distance and context. This script only works in Nuke 16. The code for this build script available in topicroompfs.com.